how do you know what's coming out? What are the sources that you look at in order to know?
Sure. Yeah.
Talking to people inside the companies.
Great. Yeah. There's a million ways to find out like what popular technology is. There's quite a few websites that keep track of this kind of thing. Stack Overflow does a programmer survey every year. And they do a great job reporting on like what technologies people are using, what technologies they like, what technologies they hate. And that's something that you can kind of observe, year over year. But there's other sites that keep good track of that. GitHub makes it really easy to find out what technologies are rising, what's popular on the JavaScript world. NPM, you can see like the most important modules that are like kind of rising and falling. Those are good sources that we look to. Another popular website called Stackshare is a great place to find out all the different tech stacks that companies are using. So you can go to any website. Actually, this is a great tip for anybody that's looking for a job. Pretty much every website there is on Stackshare. You can see exactly what technologies they use. So if I'm applying to a local startup or something like that, I can see like, okay, they're using a Rails backend, right? They have like React and Redux. I guess that's good news for us because that's what we teach. But then maybe they're using like Amazon AWS, and they're using like Slack and Jira to like manage their business. That might be something that's useful to know too when you go in for an interview. Having like fluency and familiarity with the tools is going to make you an even better fit for the role. So those are some things that we use to keep track of market trends. Additionally, we have an awesome network of students that are like in the industry, both applying for jobs and hiring people. So we keep good connections and can get good insider information on what the market is like currently asking from our students. We have quite a few students that are currently looking for jobs, and we work closely with them and their job coaches to keep a close eye on the kinds of questions they're being asked and what technologies they're expected to know. And based on that, we can use that to kind of guide our curriculum development.